All right, y'all, we have made it out here. So my brother is with us. He's the guy that was running the camera while me and Colin were pulling out. That's super exciting day, getting the boat out. We pulled it out. It's kind of a hike out here to get to the spot, but I think it's gonna be good. There's a lot of big ducks, so hoping we shoot some mallards. There's tons of geese, so maybe even some bonus geese. We don't have any geese decoys, but if we get them close enough, we'll be able to put them down. I'm running the new DeWalt heater, so if you guys haven't watched that video, you guys gotta check that out where I do the review. Pretty sweet heater, and it's cooking and it's pushing heat through the two of us. I've done some upgrades to the boat, so if I remember, I'll show you guys what I did. The light that you guys saw in the morning is the new light bar that I installed and have switches on it. I got interior lights now, so there's the light that you see down here. I installed that, and then have a phone charger back there. So pretty sweet upgrades to this thing, and then the tarp, so we kind of have a wind blocker, and it's pretty slick, working really good for blocking that little bit of wind we got today. So we got about an hour till then. We've been eating some donuts and getting warm, so we'll see you guys when it's time. Here are the geese. I think we're gonna be shooting a lot today. All right, y'all, shooting time. It's a little plastic. Right here, right in front of us. That's a green wing. Brandon. Brandon. Oh my gosh, no.
Just reach out and grab that thing.
All right, go ahead. I got him.
Oh my god. Reload.
That was a little close, buddy. I'm sorry, that was my fault.
Wait, do I go through the bottom?
Yep. He shot one. 1, 2, 3. All right, go back down. Go back up. Up. Did you get him, Colin? Is he still alive?
No, yeah.
All right. One, two. No. I guess they're a little too high. I'm getting excited. Sorry. Getting a little excited. My blood's pumping now. They're working way too close. Huh? Yep. Get ready, Brandon. That's all you. Go ahead. Alright, let him go. He's a free one. Go ahead and keep reloading. There's another one coming in. They're not there anymore. They're not there anymore. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be working the whole time. I see one to the left.
There's one to the right, and that one that's belly up. There's that one shot earlier.
Yep. I'm gonna go at it kind of sideways. Holy crap. Did you get it? Green wing? That looks like a bluebill.
Oh, that one's still chilling.
That's a green wing. Go ahead, Brandon. Put him out of his misery.
Alright.
Okay, here you go.
Big duck, big duck, boy, big duck.
Gosh darn it, freaking thing. Did you get it? Alright. We got one more. Alright. Alright, this is yours. It looks like you got a Drake green wing, Colin. Oops. That's pretty slick. That was your shot. Huh? Are they what? No, those are green wings. Yeah, them are all green wings. You can pick them off right now, Colin. Huh?
So I can water talk the shit out of it.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I'll video you.
Good.
Get him, dog.
I can't even see him now. Really? I got it.
Well, we got 3 ducks so far this morning. It's about a half an hour since shooting time. Could be even more, but pretty good. A bunch of little ducks still. I mean, bluebill. I think I'm correct on that. I'll show you guys a little bit more, but I wanted to show you blind while we're sitting here for a second. This is what I did. I took some tarp, I painted it, and then put it on the outside, so we got a wind blocker. Put it on the corners all the way around. Pretty nice. All right, y'all, so the ducks are working on the other corner. The wind changed on us, so we're picking up everything and we're gonna move over to where the ducks are. Hope when the ducks return from feeding that's where they want to go. So pickup time. Oh yeah. So what I want to do is have them. Oh, there goes the weight. So we're gonna have one that's just a swimmer. A weight just flew off. And then I want some over here too. All right, so we packed up. Now we got it moved over in this little cove where they've been landing. So the reeds are a little taller over here. It's out of the wind. Hopefully be all right now. Well, we switched to this side and we really haven't seen any. We were sitting on our phones. We had a good spread work, but not a lot of ducks right now. It's about 11. Hopefully here soon. Maybe something will swing by. All right, we are at Clark's Kitchen for some catch and cook action. I got this soaked in salt water. It's probably just been a few hours that I put it in there. Today we're gonna be doing, it's kind of like a simple recipe, but I've never had skin on duck that I know of. So I took the time, let me go ahead and pat that dry so it's not dripping all over the floor. Right here. So I took the time, skin on. It's pretty cool. So you got that. And so I also took a lighter, if it'll focus, there we go. So I took a lighter, and so you can see kind of like the burnt to get rid of all the little hairs that I couldn't pull off. Yeah, looks like a good chunk of meat. So what we're gonna do now is get this sucker, this pan as hot as we can get it, and then slap them babies on, skin down, get the skin a little bit crispy, and then go from there. So I think for a seasoning, I'm gonna do a little salt and pepper. Get on there. Alright, so our little meat here. I'm gonna see what seasoning I have. I got a little fin and feather rub here. It's by Traeger. We're gonna do a little bit of that too, because that just kind of gives it a little bit of a garlic flavor. And then some salt. Some pepper. Flip it over. Salt. And then I'm gonna do some of my favorite pepper. It's more of a spicier pepper, but it's called smoky salt. It's pretty darn good for a salt. So we're just gonna give that generously there. And then that looks pretty good. And then we'll just, once this sucker gets hot, we're just gonna slam it on there. So right away, when you hear it, it's gonna be sizzling. Don't mind my dog getting a drink of water. Do you mind? I'm just kidding, sorry. She stopped drinking. Should be hot enough now. Yes, sir. Time to flip these babies. Oh, look at that skin. Yes, sir. All right, I think it's time to pull them off. All right, I'm super excited to cut into these babies. See what we're working with here. Looks pretty good there. Maybe a little too raw there. We might be putting her on for a little longer. That sucker looks raw. Test number 2. All right, the second trap. Looks a little dark because I got some weird lighting going here, but there we go. That looks a lot better. It wasn't as raw as the first time. You guys like my little light here? Try that baby out. Right there. Nice little piece of meat. That's pretty good. Nice little. Well, if you leave skin on, it's really good. Definitely gonna have to do this again. Maybe on my grill though. I had drummies in the oven, so not a good multitasker. So if I had drummies in here and I had stuff on the grill, I'd feel chaotic. But this is bomb. So I recommend you guys trying this. Leave skin on, use a lighter, burn all the feathers that you get left behind, and then just pan fry it or use it on the grill. So hope you guys like this hunt. It was good hunting out there. It was still the grind, pulling the boat out through the weeds. getting out there to the spot and taking my brother on a hunt. In 3 years hasn't been out, so that was nice to get him back out. So hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, go down to that bottom, smash that like button, and while you guys are down there, go ahead and hit that sub button and support the channel. So thank you all for watching. See you guys on the next hunt. Peace.